Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and what's up? Hey everybody, it's Stacy and welcome back to my channel. To all of my existing subscribers and to all my new subscribers, hello, sit down, get a drink, get a snack, and welcome to this week's video. Well, y'all know what's up. Y'all know what's up. Y'all know what's up. So if you want to know what's in the box, stay tuned. Okay, I'm not going to waste any time. Oh, Lord. This is going to... Oh, okay. I'll pull from the opposite direction. All right. Any hoodle McDoodle. Let's see what we got going on here. We have a dented box on the bottom. Throw that aside. We have the brown old school Nike box with the black Nike logo across the top. So this probably can give you a clue of what this is, but I'm gonna read what it says on the box. This is a women Air Jordan 1 Zoom Air Comfort, and the colorway is Fire Red, Fire Hot Curry. So get rid of the box. We have the strap. You guys know with the comforts, we get the strap that shows all the different parts of the shoe and the materials that are made out of. And on the back are all the Jordan wings in black. Let's throw that away. Let's pull the first shoe. I can see through the paper, y'all. I can see through the paper. Wait a minute, let me put this down because I'm about to drop the shoe. I can see through the paper. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Okay, here we go. This is the Jordan 1 Comfort Zoom. Jordan 1 Zoom Comfort Hot Curry. Here we go right here. Oh my goodness, this is the shoe right here. I actually got a call about this before it hit my hand, so I heard about it before I got it. So let me go ahead, let's get the other shoe out, the Z-Books, and let's get into some details real quick on the shoe. Let me throw these on the floor. Let's pull both shoes out so you guys can see both shoes in action. Here we go. Flip them around so you guys can see right there. Of course, you know, we always do the left shoe because we are lefties in this house. All right, here we go. This is the Hot Curry. So all of the orange color, let me see, what was the name of the orange color? Let's see, it's Fire Red. So this is the Hot Curry. All the Hot Curry color is going to be all this orange color that's all around the top, even on the fabric piece here and on the toe cap. And on the toe. All the red, the Fire Red is going to be all the red pieces, including the strings. The swoosh, let's see, the swoosh is inlaid fabric. Let me get in a little closer so you guys can see that swoosh right there. Looks like an inlaid fabric right there. And the bottom is going to have a red, the hot red outline, white, and also white around the swoosh. Let's see, the tongue. The tongue is red. It's going to be that Fire Red with the Hot Curry, and written in white is going to say Zoom Air. On the tops, of course, is unfinished, like all of the Comfort Zoom sneakers are. Let's see the inside, if I can get in really good on the inside. We have the Hot Curry on the sock liner, and the actual foot is going to be the Fire Red. If I can get in there really good, you can see that. Okay. This is a nice shoe. I'm actually liking this. Okay, I got a confession to make, something you guys don't know, and I think I briefly spoke about it in another video. I did buy another pair of orange Jordans. The orange was a little too bright, so I sent them back and got these and said, oh, I forgot, the wings are in white right here on the top. And I sent those back, and I'm glad I sent them back because I like this orange better. This orange is more of a, for me, it's more of a wearable orange. I really like that part of the shoe. The red, it's a Fire Red. They're calling it Fire Red. To me, I kind of like that it's giving me crayon color So yeah, I really like, of course I like the shoe. All the Comfort Jordans, if you have not tried a Comfort Jordan, I really, really, really advise you to look at getting a pair of the Comfort Jordans. I have, let's see, how many do I have right now? I have one, two, three. Actually, I have three pairs of Comfort Jordans. The let's see, let me move over. The light mauve, the Chicago Bulls, and I have that brown pair, which I forgot the name of those. But yeah, those are all Comfort Jordans that I have. I believe they make the Comfort in other silhouettes besides the ones. If you can catch any of the Comfort Jordans, go get them. These are super duper comfortable. You can walk around all day in them. I mean, they have padding all the way at the top. The insole is super comfortable. I can go on and on talking about it, but we gotta get over to the fashions, because I already know one of the outfits that I am doing with this, and it's already hung up. So let's get to the fashions, y'all. We gotta get to the fashions. All right, for this outfit, sweatsuit time. All right, we are in late September. We are doing sweatsuits. So this sweatsuit is from Fashion Nova. This is the I Stole Your Boyfriend's sweatsuit. And the orange color. For bag, we are going with the Stan Studio bag, a quilted bag. We're keeping it nice, we're keeping it warm, we're keeping it fluffy. And we also have our hot curry comforts on, right, or Zoom comforts on. I went with this outfit because it's warm. I wanted something super duper casual. Gotta run to Target, gotta go to the grocery store. What better way to style all of it up is with a comfortable shoe, comfortable outfit with a great, fun, comfortable bag. You can also clutch it like this. I believe yep, you can. Can you take the? Yep, you can take the straps off of this bag and make it a clutch, but that's for going out. We ain't going out. We ain't kicking it. We going to the store. We're going to the store. We're going to, going to Target, our favorite place. As you all know, that is where we go. So I just wanted to style it up with, what I would normally wear them with, which is a sweatsuit. So let's get in closer so you guys can see the shoe on my foot and you guys can get a better look at it. All right, and here we are with the shoe a little bit more closer on foot with the jogging pants. As you can see, the swoosh is inlaid into the leather, and it's more of like a kind of a fabric-y swoosh. It's the same, looks like it's the same material as the tongue. Let me get in a little bit more so you can see the tongue. And let me turn around to the back so you guys can see the back of the shoe right here. And as the colors, very vibrant, very fall appropriate. I love this shoe. The Comfort Jordans, I think I told you guys before, with the mauve, the light mauve Comfort Jordans. These are stupid comfortable. These are even more comfortable than regular Jordans because this has more cushioning on the back and all around the shoe, around the ankle and everything. Let me pose up right here so you can see. You have the exposed foam on the tongue and the top of the shoe right here. But yeah, this shoe is really comfortable. It's really fun. I could be out half the day with this shoe and not feel a thing. These are probably not half the day, a whole day. Like I said, you all know I already have a couple of pairs of the Comfort Jordans already. And these shoes are the best, some of the best shoes smoking. If you have not been able to get your hand on a pair of Comfort Jordans in any of the numbers, not even just the ones, they have Comforts in the other styles. Also, get a pair. You won't regret it. Okay, and for this look, I just wanted to throw on something. This is just that throw on, gotta go. Or I'm going into work for a couple of hours. I'm not trying to do too much. So with the hot curry jeans that you cannot see because they are being covered by a mega wide leg jean from Target. I want to say this is the New Day or Universal Threads. I can't remember. This white hooded sweater I got from The Gap some years ago. And the tote bag that I'm carrying is my Fendi Roma Italy 1925 bag. This is a vintage tote that I picked up from Fashion File some years ago, a few years back. Never saw this tote before. Picked it up and grabbed it. I haven't seen this tote since, so there we go. So anyway, I wanted to do it with these jeans, which these are brand new. I just picked these up. And it's like, you know, regular basic outfit, nothing crazy. And then you sit down and you get this pop of orange and red. It's, you know, the fun shoe that's being covered by the jeans. I wanted to do something, pretty casual, nothing real crazy, So let's get down on the floor one more time so you can see the shoe one more time on foot, and then we're going back to later me, because this is actually future me recording this part. All right, and here's the jeans again. Like I said, these are super wide cut jeans, and you don't even know what shoe I have on until you do that. And you see this fun shoe. Actually, you know what? Let me do this. Get a little farther from you. And when you cross your leg, or when you lift up the pant, you see the shoe right here. So you can see the shoe all in its glory. And like, oh, wow, that's the big pop of color is being hidden by the big jeans. But I just wanted to do something fun with the shoes, because the shoe was such a fun shoe. And a big wide leg pant to me was a fun choice. Instead of doing a dress, which I originally was going to wear a dress with this, but I opted to wear a dress in a future video. But anyway, here's the shoe one more time on my foot. And you're going to see the orange color along the back and on the toe. The midsole and around the swoosh is going to be the white color, and your hot curry red is around the toe, the laces, the tongue, and around the back of the shoe. Yes, I can actually stand and do that. I haven't show you how crazy I am. I'm actually standing this way right now. Anyway, so I haven't done that in years. Lord Jesus, I'm being paid in the morning. But anyway, and around the back of the shoe, you see the hot curry and the orange color right here along the back. But yep, these are the Jordan Zoom hot curry. Oh, you can't see them. These are the Jordan Zoom hot curry comfort. Okay, well, let's get back in. Let's do one more close up, and then I'm going to get on out of here because I need to work out. It's after 5 o'clock. I'm doing a rare after work video. I normally shoot. Y'all know I like to shoot at lunch, but my shoes came after I got off of lunch, and I had another project to do. Anyway, so let's get back to, let's do another close up of the shoe. This is the women's Jordan 1 Zoom High Hot Curries. I had to think of the name because it's a long name. And the colorway is this is going to be a hot curry and fire red with white. All your fire red is all the red parts on the shoe, including the lace and the tongue and the outline of the bottom. Also, you have white around the swoosh, and the swoosh is an inlay fire red. All of the hot curry are the orange pieces. That's the tops. All of these orange pieces on the back and on the toe. Also, the tongue, like I said, is in the fire red. Also with the label in the hot curry and Zoom Air written in white. The bottom is in white, and like I said, all around the swoosh is white. I love the comforts. If I can snatch up every pair of comforts, I will. I'll do my best because I like the comfort ones. I like all Jordans, but if they're comforts, it's even better. That's like the cherry on top to my Jordan ones. So that is it. I'm going to link this pair down below. I know Nike still has, I think Nike still has some in stock as I'm recording this. It is July 19th as I'm recording. So by the time this video comes out, hopefully there's still some in stock. If not, I will put in as many links as I possibly can for you guys. Hopefully not from resellers, because we don't do resellers here on this channel. If you guys like videos like this, want to see more videos like this, don't forget to like and subscribe. Liking and subscribing are free of charge to everyone involved, including myself. Also, if you guys want to read a little something, go over to my blog, sneakersandhandbags.net, and I just talk about whatever's on my mind, from my home to my shoes to my handbags to music. Whatever is on my mind, I am talking about it. So that is it. I'm gonna get out of here. I need to change into my workout clothes, get this workout in real quick, and go watch something, some new show that my sister just texted me on. So I'm gonna go watch that. I forgot what it's called, Frogging or something. I don't know, can't remember. Anyway, let me get out of here. Links below, talk to me below if you guys have any questions here on YouTube, and I'm out. Love, peace, hair products, sneakers, handbags, movies, music, and all that fun stuff. Bye.